Alright, guys, so today I lost $740 on NQ, and I took two shorts right here on the, and I was targeting this 1 hour for value gap. So, originally, I was gonna take this trade up here. We broke structure, we retraced into the fair value gaps, order blocks, everything. Everything was good. And I was gonna enter, but I was kind of iffy on it because there was this daily high and this daily fair value gap. And NQ had already came into it, but that also made an SMT on ES. But usually when I see ES makes an SMT or takes a high and NQ hasn't, it doesn't hold for that long. And I thought it wasn't gonna hold. So I was gonna wait for NQ to come into that high and this fair value gap, and I would have entered. But after seeing this push all the way down like that, I should have just closed the charts, but I didn't, and that was my mistake. And I took these trades at 11:30, 11:25. Bad time to take a trade. I shouldn't have traded at that time either. And yeah, but this trade I took off of it coming into this order block right here, and I instantly entered as soon as it came into it. And I wasn't profit for a little bit. I was up 600, 500 around there for a little bit, and then it just came back up, hit my stop loss in the same candle. It was kind of stupid watching that happen, but yeah. Also here, I also took this short because you see on the 2 minute, was it the 2 minute? Yeah, on the 2 minute, we were in this fair value gap and it looked like it was respecting it, right? This looks pretty bearish, like bearish trend, came into fair value gap, would have ideally hit this target, this low, and this fair value gap, but it didn't. And instead, it came up into this 5 minute order block and this 3 minute gap. And now, which there is an SMT right here, as you can see. The 3 minute, yeah. There's an SMT, and it's respecting this 5 minute gap. There's a 5 minute gap. I'm pretty sure. Oh no, no, this 5 minute gap is getting respected, but this 3 minute gap is also getting respected, which is kind of confusing. So I do think that from here it might reach this high, maybe this high, but I do think it's gonna reach this high, sweep, get a sweep off this high, and then move lower. So for NQ on a 3 minute, we have the gap right here. It's respecting that, but it's also respecting this 5 minute gap. It hasn't closed above it. Would probably about to, but I do think that it's gonna inverse this 5 minute gap, take this high, make a sweep off of this high or this high, and come down to this level that I marked out. But I'm gonna come back at 8 p.m. on Asia session and maybe find a trade. And I'm gonna be really picky on that one because I'm already down 740. I'm not sad about losing the 740. It was obviously my fault, but it looked pretty bearish. It was my fault because after seeing that I could have entered this trade and it pushed down already. I should have closed the charts and waited till tomorrow, because this would have been my trade for the day. Down to this low right here, or this low, and they would have made. I probably would have made the 1,500 off of that trade. But yeah, it happens. It's normal. Can't really do anything about it. We just learn from our mistakes. And my mistake was taking a trade at 11:25, 11:30. Alright, guys, but maybe I'll take a trade on Asia session. Maybe not. If so, I'll see you guys tomorrow.